The Multi Line CCI is an automatic inspection system for conformal coated PCBs. Our target is to inspect for too less coat, too much coat, scratches and coat splashes. Therefore, the machine is equipped with a telecentric camera with 9 or 17 micrometer resolution. Up to your needs, you can have up to 8 tilt view cameras to inspect from the side, for instance, for coat splashes in connectors or underneath shieldings. Also, a 3D thickness measurement unit is inside, so we can measure the coating thickness between 20 micrometer or 1100 micrometer. The machine can be equipped with a sensor head in the top and also with a sensor head in the bottom. So dipped coated PCBs can be inspected at the same time from both sides. This machine is based on the well-known Multi Line platform that gives the opportunity to inspect 540 x 450 mm big PCBs with a weight of 15 kilograms. The clearance in top is 120 millimeters. So we woke up your interest and you want to improve your quality in your coding process? Don't hesitate to contact us for a free of charge presentation appointment.